Welcome back in the pursuit of wealth, crypto traders and investors. It's Rod with Pow Group, your home for MJ stocks, crypto assets, news and interviews. Today is Tuesday, August 26th. Hope you're doing fantastic. And in this video, we're going to take a look at Doge. We'll bring up Dogecoin chart, what to expect in terms of the price action and the technicals in the days, weeks, months ahead. I'll give my thoughts and opinions, and we'll discuss how high can Doge go this cycle. I'm getting a lot of people asking me this question. Is it even going to participate? Is kind of the meme craze over, if you will? I'll give my thoughts and opinions on this. Before we do, make sure to smash the like. If you're new, you can subscribe, tick the bell. You'll be notified on any future videos or when I go live. And as always, this is not financial advice. This is for entertainment purposes only. And full disclosure, I do not own any Dogecoin. I personally just don't think there's enough risk versus reward right now, reward on the reward side. But I just think there's better names out there, and I'll give my thoughts and opinions on realistically how high could it go this cycle. I think it will participate in the alt season. Again, I just think there's better opportunities out there. We'll discuss the price action though, and where I could see it going in just a moment. You can follow us over on X as well, formerly Twitter. Handle for that is @GroupPow. So I do think Doge will perform very, very well. We're going to see more than likely a slew of ETFs, a spot ETF, including one for Dogecoin at some point in the next couple of months with the pro administration in the US. Everything like Project Crypto, we got crypto legislation, the Clarity Act coming potentially, and market structure over the next month or two. You got altcoin ETFs, rate cuts coming. I think we have all of the things that we need to see for a full-blown alt season, and also Flare bringing DeFi and smart contracts to layer ones, including Doge. But before we jump into the chart, I do want to share with you another project that I'm super bullish on with alt season around the corner and new administration and clear rules of the road coming. And there's actually a giveaway that they're going to be doing for every $50 that you purchase. So if you purchase $100, you'll get 2 tickets. If you buy $50 worth, you get 1 ticket, but for every $50, you get 1 entry. And there'll be links for this in the description and in the comments section. And they're going to be doing a $1,000 giveaway in this new token called SST, and they will double that for their $1,000 Gold Ink game packs as well. So here's a quick look at it. Before jumping in, I want to share with you a new and exciting crypto coin that I'm invested in called Sapphire Studios token, otherwise known as SST. SST is in pre-sale now with over 100x potential in my opinion, because it will be core to multiple of their Web3 games. These games are some of the most sophisticated on mobile, and Sapphire Studios is looking to achieve mass adoption by competing with some of the best and most addicting games ever created. Sign up using the link below to receive 30% bonus SST and a 200% bonus matched in Gold Ink player game packs. Now here's a quick 1-minute trailer video explaining it.
Hello, my name's Colin Stone and I'm here to talk to you today about my coin and game pick of the year. Do you ever wish you could have invested in billion-dollar market cap game coins like Axie Infinity at the start? Well, Gold Ink, a new game launching now, makes those look like they were made by a kid. The first Web3 real-time strategy massive multiplayer online game on mobile, and it's by far the most expansive Web3 game ever built. Its pre-sale is also at ridiculously low market cap, around $10 million, and they are just about to launch the full game. Mine and steal crypto that is redeemable for real gold. That's Gold Ink, adding the most addictive features from a lot of the most successful games on Earth, the best elements of games like Clash of Clans, Game of War, Pokemon Go, in an effort to make a super game to rule them all. The beta is available now in Google Play and App Store, and you can still take part in their coin distribution at a tiny market cap. Buy at the coin distribution now while it's at the lowest price and start mining it in the game. Beta users get significantly more SST for a short time. The launch price on exchanges is set at 5 times the current price, and its use cases are next level. Buy SST and play now.
Once again, sign up using the link in the description and the comments section and get 30% bonus SST and also 200% bonus in Gold Ink player game packs. This will help get you started. Just make sure to use the same email for SST and the game to help automate the process. Thanks to SST as well for sponsoring today's video. All right, welcome back. So super excited about SST. Once again, as a reminder, they're going to be doing a ticket for every $50 that you purchase. So if you purchase using the link in the description in the comment section, you'll get 1 ticket, 1 entry. So if you do $50, you get 1 ticket, 1 entry. If you do 100, you'll get 2, etc. And they're going to be giving away $1,000 worth of SST and also $1,000 in Gold Ink game packs to help get you started. So we'll take a look at the monthly time frame here for Doge. We're still in a monthly uptrend, which is the most important factor. If you take a look here at the low to the high, we had a higher low followed by a higher high. We're still forming that higher low pattern. So key support is going to be 13 cents from here, because if we lose that, that's going to confirm a monthly downtrend with a lower high and a lower low. So that's going to be key support going forward. Key resistance, first level is 28.7 cents. Then we have up at the high at 48 cents, and then the all-time high at just under 74 cents. Now, if we do break into price discovery, I'm not expecting meme coins to really steal the show this time around. I think it's going to be more of the utility tokens. I mean, let's be honest, Doge was started as a joke, but obviously it's not a joke, right? There's real investors backing it. I'm just not a huge meme coin person, but if there was one that I was going to pick, Doge would be at the top of the list, right? It's tried and true. It has a community behind it and a very, very large market cap. So in my opinion, if we were to break into new all-time highs in price discovery, I could more than likely see somewhere around that 1.618 or the 2.618 fib extension levels as a realistic target. Somewhere around that $1.20 to $1.80 area. I can't see it eclipsing much higher than that this cycle. I think that, from current levels, if we were to hit the 1.618, that's about a move of around just north of 400%. So again, I think there's some opportunity here. I just think that, the time for meme coins has sort of come and gone. I think that was more of a 2021 thing. Again, we're going to be pivoting more over to those utility tokens. In terms of Doge here on the weekly time frame, we did have a little bit of a red flag. We had a stochastic bear cross, but the MACD, it's potentially crossing bearish, but it hasn't yet, and we're still finding support at that 10-week moving average. So no major red flags here. We are losing the 50 weekly moving average as support, and we do have the 100 there at 17 cents. But like I said, it's all about that monthly time frame. As long as we can hold monthly support and avoid confirming a monthly downtrend, that would be best case scenario, really. And we just had a golden cross as well, with the 50-day and the 200-day moving average crossing bullish. And typically this is what happens into those bull crosses, because they're lagging indicators, they track the price. So typically what you see is a run up into that, and then the bull cross, consolidation, and then we go again. And that's what I'm expecting. And then, like I said, fueled by ETFs, fueled by rate cuts, Flare coming online, market structure, Clarity Act in the US, a recipe for much higher prices here. And like I said, everybody in 2017, it was like that moment where you just throw a dart and you win. Like, you could not pick a crypto and lose unless you were really, really bad at it. But I do think that Doge, is the multiplier effect still there? I don't believe so. How high can it go? I would say somewhere around that $1.20 to $1.80 is realistic in full-blown alt season, which realistically could kickstart in the next couple of months. I think we're seeing the early stages of it, but we're not quite into the thick of it yet. But like I said, all about that support there at 13 cents on the monthly. As long as we maintain that support, we're just fine here. And like I said, if we can break into new price discovery, I would not be surprised at all to see us around $1.20, $1.80. But let me know your thoughts and opinions. What's your price target for Doge this alt season? And make sure to check out SST in the description, in the comment section. Super bullish on that project. And like I said, you can take advantage of that $1,000 SST giveaway. Have a great night. It's Rod with Pow Group. Thanks again for joining us on the Pursuit of Wealth, and we'll see you on the next video.